space weather, and we're moving into high solar storms. And that's where ionospheric and tropospheric conditions impact you as an RTK operator. So we're not here to get in the weeds today, but I am saying that is why and why a VRS is valuable versus single base. Because when you use single base, it can impact that you as a network operator and right there's a great app called Space Weather that we've done tech talks on or webinars on that I would highly encourage you to look at. And then also, as a user signed up for this, right here under I-95 ionosphere, you have the ability to see when this gradient is clear up here at a high activity, that would impact you as a network operator or an RTK user. And that's available right there on this site. I use space weather all the time on my phone. I would encourage you guys to it's called Space Weather Live. It's available on Android and iOS, and more so because we are moving up towards high activity in 2025. And then it doesn't just end in 2025. So lots of people have written great articles about this, talked about this. And just because, you know, some manufacturers have things like IonoGuard, et cetera, does not mean that you as an operator should not be aware of how space weather impacts you in the performance of your measurement. Soon as you roll outside the network, you're now at that that ppm single base, you know, is how we traditionally teach that. So yes, you can work outside the network, but know that now outside the network, you are now moving into that whatever manufacturer, you know, 1.5 ppm per kilometer. And so, you know, I'm just role playing here at 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers, 30 kilometers, you'll start to see position degradation. And then the bad thing about working outside of a network is remember that space weather and all of that's going to play havoc on you.